Got it, it's working now.
It's recording, is it?
Yeah, I got it to work. This is so scary.
So is this what going on your channel?
It's gonna become like a shitpost for our friend to have fun with.
Shall I get fancy with it?
Yeah, we should.
Let me talk with a fancy accent. First thing is we get one fat guy's worth of Oreos. We resisted the urge to get double stuff.
Yeah, I have to resist the urge of the double stuff.
No. They wanted this thing crushed up, emanciated, malt, basically. Wine and grease. Yes, we should be greasing. That sounds way weirder if you think about it. Stop thinking about it. Then we do this the old-fashioned way. You just get in with your hands like a disgusting animal.
There's knives.
Too late. My hands are already dirty. It's being done. You can't stop the progress. This is what cooking is really about. I mean, that and murdering animals to make sure they taste good or not. Which, like, all animals actually taste good in their own way, so... pro cooking tip. Murder every animal you see. Unless you're vegan, which in that case, kill yourself. In GTA 5.
Oh, I probably should tie my hair up so no hair doesn't get in.
That just adds to the flavor. Adds protein. Fun fact, hair is just dead protein strands. So technically, you know, if you ate your own hair, you know, you're basically on steroids. The source of this accusation, this claim, you know, there are some probably out there. Yeah.
You are getting right into it.
You're damn right. It needs to be done. The dirty work, if you will. But she's all nice and lathered up. She's greased. Just didn't know what that white powder was. You know, your cocaine actually adds to the flavor, so I'm gonna add some cocaine. They go hand in hand with Oreos. You're gonna add 3 cups of sugar, specifically like this. And you're just gonna keep adding sugar until it submits to your muscle. And you're gonna beat it again because you're a sadistic overlord. Just keep adding sugar, keep adding. Don't stop, never stop. Sugar must flow. What?
You're just licking that? It's like...
Listen, my defense is this. Oreos taste good, yes.
You certainly do.
So, with that, I could...
Yeah? What could you do?
Nah, keep adding sugar. Me and Borg know like cooking. 3 wrong drawers until we get the bowls.
I have one right here.
Then we magically summon a bowl in front of us. Just slap that in and we can just microwave that, no problem. You know how to use the electric fucky uppy upper?
Yes.
Cool. That's not what we're adding.
Oh, different?
You and your thick and yeah, that one. Slam that bad boy in. Or go, we don't judge in this household. 30 minutes. Slam that bad boy in.
Just to show this. Oh my god, they're so big. Wait.
Standing by for drop off.
Look how ridiculous this looks.
Yeah, but
It works, it works. Oh no, I got butter on the Kit Kat.
now it looks a little.
Oh no, the camera keeps zooming in.
Zoom and enhance on my skin cells on my arm. good thing about having Oreo residue on our weighing thing is that we kind of just come to.
Oh.
You've been eager to pour that in. Let's put it in that, and I will put it in there.
Oh my.
Can we get some, like, seductive music playing while this is pouring?
Just tell me when to start with this, all this fake.
Cream, yeah. Do you want to try?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
I place entirely the benevolent faith in you. And the Kit Kat. We got a nice hydration bottle.
Just checking if it's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording. Oh god.
So I don't know how to tell you this, but like we might be in trouble. Look, we're on the run here. We stole all these ingredients from Chef Guy Ramsey.
Here's our ingredient.
And more.
Oh, it's gonna make it unedible.
Nothing is inedible unless you're a cow. You gotta love how this recipe tells you things and like conveys that information in a normal way. You would think that up ahead there would be more like ideas of how, like, okay, how much you're supposed to add, you know, all that sort of thing. They do not. There is just no depiction, so I am forced to go with a cup and a half. And if anyone else has anything to say about that, my home address is 4. Oh, wait, that's Soundsmith's address. 5. Ice and sugar has proved to be more difficult than Houdini's puzzles. But I managed to get it anyway. This is genius. Why is there a time bomb?
How's the coffee behind us?
Is it usually a time bomb?
It's sometimes. It's a 50-50 gamble. It's coming fast for it.
Editor explosion right now.
What's your opinion? Did we do good?
I gotta have this for my next birthday. My only critique is that the Oreos are so fucking obvious.
We did pretty good. 100% to do this again. The only main issue we had was following the recipe. Because there wasn't any recipe.